Hey Rob, I have a quick question for you, and I thought it'd be better to do a video, call you, or um, anyway. So, looking at my teacher assignments in MTC Tools, I have 3 districts leaving, 2 that came in this week, and I have 2 coming in next week. So it shows that they're on schedule R03B and R03A. So that confuses me, that they're 2 different titles. So that's one of my questions is why is it that way? They are assigned to the classrooms that I'm normally over, so that makes sense to me, but this does not. The other thing that concerns me is when I click on one of them and open them, they aren't the same schedule as I've assigned my teachers to. So this one shows that it's a morning and afternoon shift. And then if you go to R03B, it's a similar situation in that the class is in the morning and late afternoon. And my understanding was that I'm on 3.1, which is Taylor's old schedule, and that we have Friday P Day, not Thursday P Day, and that we're afternoon and evenings. So I'm just trying to figure this out because, I want to let the teachers know where they can find their schedules and what they can refer to come Monday. So, I'm happy to call scheduling in the afternoon tomorrow as soon as I get off of work at my other job. But I figured that if I'm experiencing this, other people in the area might be as well, or maybe you know of something that I don't. So if you could just let me know, that'd be awesome, just so I can tell my teachers the correct information. Yeah, and like I said before, this is really my main concern. Like, what schedule should I be telling them to refer to? Because none of these schedules match what I've been telling the teachers and what I understood we were getting. So let me know if you have questions or concerns or if this was confusing. Thanks, Rob.